Okay, this is your land. Up to where?
Ndikoma wali eriwo tugala.
Then it goes
Ziri
up to
kazi
where?
mukaga zino ziri wano. Ono yangu zako 2 nya n'omulala yangu zako 2.
Yes. This land goes up to there. And
There is a band down where you that's the point. There is a band in between.
come here for locus council. State presented. They also the accused person also presented all the documents. If you want that one, you write to court. You come and apply. You come and peruse through the file. We have all of that. So I think that is it. This court here, we have come to observe. And here I have 3 people who are supposed to talk. State, his witnesses, the accused person. I have given a chance to RDC being a political leader. We have not come for a general, we are all general problems. You get it? Those ones will be solved in either in another matter. The community
And your worship, they were not able to bring such a map in when
yes, that map, it is just, it's not even on record.
When you brought your...
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.